Come join me. It's Dex TV. It's Dex TV. Dex TV. It's Dex TV.
Alright guys, today we are cooking my butter prime rib recipe. So guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to have 2 sticks of unsalted butter put in the microwave for 30 seconds so that it melts just a tiny bit. Alright, so next step, this is kind of like my own ingredient that I added in myself because I wanted to. And Coca-Cola, I'm not going to add too much, about that much to do. Now it's all poured in. We're going to use the spoon and mix it all around. It smells like Parmesan cheese, but it looks like cottage cheese almost. Now we're going to poke some holes into our ribs so that the sauce can get in there. Oh my god, this is hard. Alright guys, for this next step, you're going to need to get your hands dirty. So I recommend washing your hands right before doing this step. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your Coca-Cola cottage cheese butter thingamabob that we made. There's no cottage cheese in it, just Coca-Cola and butter, and you're going to like spread it all around the rib thing like it's a paste. Not too much though. Kind of. That is it. Feels gross actually. Alright guys, once you are done washing your hands thoroughly, getting all that butter off, now you're going to take some natural sea salt, okay? So, you know guys, I would say it's about 2 tablespoons worth of sea salt. Okay, so it's about 1 tablespoon of pepper. You're just gonna... And now we've got 1 tablespoon of garlic pepper. Just gonna do the exact same thing. It smells really good. Now we got some dry. herb crusted. So now we just gotta make sure every part of the top is just coated. Alright guys, now that the oven is set at 450, we're now going to bake it for 15 minutes. Alrighty, now we just got 15 minutes. Now that it's been 15 minutes, we're going to check on it really fast. See how it's... Ooh, that's looking really nice. Okay guys, so since every pound of our prime rib is 15 minutes, our prime rib is 6 pounds, so it's got to sit for an hour and a half. Alright guys, so we're gonna sit for an hour and a half. Okay, so we're just gonna cut this part because you probably don't want to be here for an hour and a half, so goodbye. Are you still here? Alright guys, we're all done. Let's open it up and take a look. The results look pretty nice. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment down below, subscribe. Tell me if you like the recipe or not. I sure did. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.